Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how to use a trading strategy suggestion from the ChatGPT AI robot in a more profitable way, as I previously mentioned. This time, I asked ChatGPT a question as you can see on the screen and asked for a recommendation for an effective but not widely used indicator in TradingView. I even asked how we could trade with the suggested indicator. To be clear, the suggested indicator is not an unknown indicator. The Kaufman moving average is a known indicator, although it is not used as often as the standard moving averages. Of course, if the price crosses above the moving average, it gives a buy signal, and if it goes below, it gives a sell signal. I added the trend meter indicator, which I really like, to this well-known method and created a strategy. The results were fantastic. The strategy is so simple that even a beginner trader who has never traded before can start using it and increase their capital. Let's get our indicators on the screen and learn the rules of our trading strategy without further ado. Rule 1 for long position. A green bullish candle must cross above the blue Kaufman moving average line. Rule 2. All colors of the trend meter indicator must be green. Rule 3. Enter a trade when the first two rules are met. Place a stop-loss level below the trigger candle. The target is a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. By the way, if you find my work useful, please support me by clicking the like button. To stay updated on my future videos, I kindly ask you to subscribe. If you have any questions during the videos, please leave a comment and I will try to help you with pleasure. Now let's take a look at some short position examples. Rule 1 for short position. A red bearish candle must cross below the blue Kaufman moving average line. Rule 2. All colors of the trend meter indicator must be red. Rule 3. Enter a trade when the first two rules are met. Place a stop-loss level above the trigger candle. The target is a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, the strategy is really simple and the profit target is quite high. Of course, you should always do your own backtesting. Your own implementation and testing is always the most important.
In this strategy, there will always be trades that close at a loss, but our goal is always to close trades with the lowest possible loss and grow our capital with higher profitable trades.
Please keep in mind that no financial asset traded in the markets is used to create wealth overnight. If you stick to this trading method as a certain strategy, apply it with discipline, don't get into the psychology of predetermined stop loss and take profit.